Hello everyone, we are Team R2MO and this is our project, Script to Screen. Did you guys know that 40% of all movies fail in theaters? None of us really like to watch flop movies. I mean, has anyone seen Joker 2? Studios waste money, we waste our time. Because these films, they forget to consider the power of story and narrative. Our project examines the relationship between synopsis and success.
So the data set from Kaggle that we used obtained its data from the movie database, and to clean the data, we filtered and removed invalid data such as like missing values, and we also made sure that the movies that we used were English language and they were theatrical releases. And to build the model, we feature engineered a new column, ROI, and we also included only columns that were needed for the.
Some key challenges were quantifying subjective synopsises and handling missing financial data, which made it tough to train our models that generalize well to all our data. To overcome the challenges, we started by using natural language processing to bring the narrative into play so the synopsis could actually bring predictions. And then we took a multi-stage modeling approach where we first predicted things like genre and then used that to forecast revenue and our return on investment. This is an example EDA plot that we made, and it shows the distribution of return on investment of movies in our training set.
For the ideation stage, we created sketches for the process and kept the UI, the structure of the website really simple.
So, we had a plan of two models, one for ideation and one for studios to use before the release of their movie. For the ideation model, we mainly predict revenue using synopsis, budget, and year for studios to test the potential of a script. We used various text features like polarity score and TF-IDF and an XGB regressor for this model.
For the pre-release model, we added a success classifier with more features than the ideation model. We predict return of investment and the potential success of the film, and using multiple transformers, more complex models, and even using a couple of our own transformers. And we achieved an accuracy of 83% on the ideation model and about roughly 70% on the final pre-release.
Now we're going to go into our demo. This is currently our website. There's an intro at the top. We have our baseline model with the 3 features. Next we have our pre-release model with a bunch of other features that we have. I'll tell you why our product didn't work. Currently we're having issues with our GitHub, meaning that our revenue class, which is whether it predicts hit, category, or average movie, is not working, but we're looking forward to fixing this eventually. Thank you so much for listening.
Thank you, R2ML. Next up is Cold Classics Calculator.